What is cracking, family? I hope you're all having a great weekend. Today I've got something different for the channel. One, I haven't got my sunglasses on, and two, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of our latest product, the RA Freestyle SOUNDPODS. So guys, I'm super excited. These have just hit Amazon USA. We're shipping them also directly from the RA HQ here worldwide, free delivery. So click the link down below, there's a couple of links. You also got discounts as well, YouTube 10 that you can use to get your discount on that. But I want to do a quick unboxing, guys, because I haven't really shown you these in much detail because it's just been super manic the last few weeks with all our kind of lifestyle launches and Christmas and everything else that's been going on, all the sales. And I'm super proud of this product as well, guys, along with our rucksack. These for lifestyle, training, travel are just absolutely impeccable. They're so good for the price. They're so, like, they're just it's got everything you want. Everything you want, like the comfort, the sound, the practicality, and we're gonna go straight into that right now. So before I get into the kind of specifics of what these can do, let's talk about the packaging. So as always, we've got the slick kind of matte black finish. You've got a picture of the SOUNDPODS. You've got this new logo that we've created, RA Sound. Hopefully it focuses. There you go. And then on the back, you've got a picture of the SOUNDPODS within the charging case. So really cool if you're thinking about a gift for someone, a loved one, a family. These look good. As always, I always make sure that they look good in the packaging as well. Then you're going to take the sleeve off and you've got this white box. So as you open the white box, nice and neatly without it falling out, you've got the charging case with the logo on top. This is a nice kind of smooth silk kind of finish, this charging case. And they're just super light, guys. This can be taken wherever, in your pocket, in your inside pocket. Is so light. And the actual SOUNDPODS within it, as you can see when I open, there's the SOUNDPODS. There you go. You can hear them actually going off as well. Logo on there looks super slick, but the actual SOUNDPODS only weigh about 5 grams each, so they're so light. But the charging case is super unique and just, yeah, very practical. Very similar obviously to the AirPods by Apple. They just charge your SOUNDPODS when you're not using them. And to be honest with you, these actually have a better battery life because I do have the SOUNDPODS. I do have the AirPods by Apple. I also have the SoundSport 3 from Bose. So, and the wireless Beats. I've got like literally every single type of wireless earphone there is. But these, when it comes to battery life, are much better. They charge for 2 hours, so you need to charge this charging case for 2 hours each time, but it's going to give you about 6 hours of battery life with each SOUNDPOD, if that makes sense. So it just goes on, and whilst I've been testing them for the months and months before the release and launch, they just did not fail. They just go on and on, guys. So that's the first thing. It's then going to come with another box inside. Let's take that out. And inside here, you're going to have, first of all, a few extra earbuds, kind of like canal tips. So a lot of us will have different sizes of canals and different types of ears and all that. So if you find that the stock ones that come inside are not so comfortable, then these will help you. There will be a size in there for you that really does help and makes it fit perfectly. And that's another thing, guys. Whilst you're wearing these, you're just going to forget you're even wearing them because they just feel super comfortable. After a while, you don't even know they're in your ear, which is great. Then we've got a USB Type-C charging cable. So really simple, guys. You're just going to get your usual power adapter wherever country you're from. You can have one of these that kind of charge your phones or something like that. You're going to basically put that in there, and you're going to start this off by charging this case. So I want you guys to charge the case. One other thing it does come with, which I nearly forgot, it was on the side, is the instruction manual, guys. Whatever you do, please, please, please do not ignore this. I know this video is going to show you a quick start, but you really need to read this because it has some kind of choking hazards and things that you need to read up on. These things are really small, so if you've got babies and young ones like flying around, like running around, I don't know where, but yeah, you don't want them to be lying around for these little kids because they are quite small. You've got things like that. Then also just more specifics on the kind of power, the technology, everything you need to know about the battery, charging, if you do forget what I'm saying right now today. But all you really need to know, guys, because I want to keep this video really short and sweet, is not only is the battery quality, the sound is also really great. Obviously, it's not going to be as great as like a Bose or like the Beats wireless, but I would say that it's on par with Apple AirPods at least. So the sound is really good. On top of that, like I mentioned, the comfort, the practicality. So when you're talking, you get dual sound on the earphone. So when I have my Bose, for example, my Bose SoundSport 3, and I'll be taking a call, I can only hear it on my right ear, which was really annoying. With these, you can hear the other person on both ears. The control and functionality is a lot more better as well. With the Bose, for example, it's a lot stiffer to skip through tracks, whereas with these, you just double tap, triple tap if you want to reverse and replay a tune. And they're just so easy to get started. Once you open up the top, what it does is, so as I open, let me take this out actually. As you open up the lid, what it's going to do is it's going to actually activate the SOUNDPODS. You're going to hear them now. Actually, I'm going to show you now. I'm going to open it, have a little listen. There you go. You probably heard that. So it says right channel, left channel. That's these bad boys literally connecting to your phone. So it's so quick. You open your phone, once you've synced it all up, you turn your Bluetooth on. You're going to see RA sound, you connect, and that's it. You just open up the lid, you put these in your ear, and they connect straight away. Like, it's just so fast. And yeah, it couldn't be any easier, to be honest with you. What you need to know about the lights though is that the two outer lights, if you can hopefully see that, you've got two red lights. The outer lights are the SOUNDPODS if they're charging, and the middle light is for the charging case. So when you do plug it in, the middle light will turn red to show that the charging case is being charged. I would recommend charging the charging case for around 2 hours. That's going to give you about 6 hours of battery life for the SOUNDPOD. So yeah, it's just super convenient. When the lights turn blue, it basically means that everything's fully charged, your SOUNDPODs are fully charged, and you're good to go. And yeah, guys, this is going to be such a game changer when it comes to your cardio, your skipping. It doesn't fall out. Like I said, they look super slick. I really do love the sound and everything that it's capable of. It's also got a variation of noise cancelling kind of technology. So they're not fully noise cancellation, but when you've got them in, it does kind of immerse you within the sound and music, especially when you kind of really get them in the canals and really push them in a little bit more. You're gonna get the deep sounds, the deep bass. It's gonna be really crisp, clear sound. So if you are into kind of like those kind of deep bassier tracks, they're gonna really sound great. And they've got really nice treble as well. So you're gonna really listen to all the instruments, whatever kind of music you're into, it's just gonna sound great. So I love them, guys. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet, but basically that is how you set this up. Right, so I'm gonna do a quick fitted test so you guys can see what it looks like in ear. These things basically have a little magnetic open and close. So once you open it, it kind of just snaps back, if that kind of makes sense. You've got the SOUNDPOD here. I'm gonna take the right one out. As I take it out, it's basically connecting to the phone as I take it out. Piece is right in your ear canal. Make sure it's in securely. Take out the second one, same thing. This is the front view, so as you can see, there is actually no overhang. So with my old previous kind of wireless earphones I had from Bose, in particular, they used to have a massive overhang here. But look, they're pretty clean. As I spin to the side, you can see it just fits in really nicely. Nice and snug, and I just think they look super cool, super clean, and yeah, slick. So whilst you're literally moving around, you're jumping, hair's getting everywhere, but literally it just stays in place, doesn't go anywhere. And I guarantee you guys, they will not fall out as long as you've got the right earpiece in, the right kind of earbud. They're not going anywhere. Right guys, so I'm gonna wrap up the video there. I promise you a short, sharp video. I hope that helps you if you're thinking about copying it or if you've already copped it. Again, I wanna thank you so much for this incredible opportunity to allow me to be innovative, creative, and bring products like this to the market to help us, again, fly like bosses, like I always say. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, you just don't want to miss what's happening. We're creating history, we're creating the most incredible fitness community out there in the world, and I want you guys to be a part of it. And yeah, if you guys like these kind of unboxing, gadget type videos, shout me down below as well. I'm going to give you as much as I can, much value as I can, and I'll do a lot more unboxings of like my camera equipment and any other electronics that I have flying around to yeah, hopefully assist you guys. So without further ado guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.